Hey all, Raim from Killer Inc here, and today I'm going to be showing you Hustle Butter C.B.D Luxe. The hustlers behind the well-loved tattoo care Hustle Butter Deluxe have struck again, and this time they've added a little something extra, so let's take a look. This is Hustle Butter C.B.D Luxe, the same great tattoo butter you all know and love, but with the added benefit of 500 milligrams of CBD oil to help soothe irritated areas. For those who don't know, cannabidiol, aka CBD, is a non-psychoactive extract of hemp, so it's not going to get you high when you put it in your skin. As with the original Hustle Butter Deluxe, the newest CBD Luxe is a 100% natural, 100% organic, vegan friendly and cruelty free replacement for all petroleum based products. Aside from CBD, this tattoo butter is made from mango, coconut, papaya and other shea butters. Hustle Butter C.B.D Luxe is the perfect tattoo care to be used throughout the tattooing process. You can use it to prep the skin before tattooing, as a tattoo lubricant during the session, and to moisturise the tattooed area after the process. CBD Luxe will not remove stencils when you apply it to the skin, so you don't have to worry about reapplying or redrawing your design. While working, you'll find out there's no more petroleum buildup, clogged tubes or worn broken down gloves like you may experience with other products. When using CBD Luxe, the skin remains workable, so say goodbye to overworked highlights and hello to your yellows and whites going in on the first try. If you're looking to raise your tattoo care game to the next level, Hustle Butter CBD Luxe is available to order from Killer Inc via the link in the description below. So what do you think of Hustle Butter CBD Luxe? Have you had the chance to try it out for yourself? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can't knock the hustle.